sportsbooks around the country suffering major losses because of Tiger's win. After more than a decade without winning a major, like you said, sportsbooks had assumed Tiger would continue to lose. Fans, though, they still believed in him. They took the other side of that bet, and they won big. One bettor in particular last week at William Hill Sportsbook in Las Vegas put down $85,000 on Tiger to win at 14-1 odds. He made almost $1.2 million. It was the largest single golf ticket in the history of William Hill Sportsbook. Offshore book BetOnline.ag said Tiger's victory produced the company's biggest loss on a futures market, greater than any loss it had suffered, even worse than any Super Bowl. Westgate Las Vegas reported a high five-figure net loss on its Masters futures. The company said it could not recall the last time it had suffered a net loss on the Masters winner, and that Tiger's win probably produced its largest loss on any golf event. BetStars Sportsbook in New Jersey reported taking a $360,000 net loss on its Masters futures markets, the largest in that company's brief U.S. history. DraftKings said 60% of bets since the third round were on Tiger, and about 30% of all live wagers placed during the tournament were on Tiger. MGM telling CNBC that more money was bet on this tournament than any golf major in the company's history. So that's what happened, Sarah. Everybody bet on Tiger. The odds were in his favor against the sportsbooks, and the fans won and the books lost.
Which is kind of an added boost to the whole story, Eric. But if he went off, do you say he went off at the start of the tournament at 14-1? So presumably he was not one of the actual favourites before the tournament, and by definition, they must have taken a lot of bets on the other guys that they didn't have to pay
Exactly.
out.
It's interesting. So one of the sportsbooks had said, look, if his name wasn't Tiger Woods and a golfer with the same profile and the same statistics were on the board, that golfer would be at 25-1. So there were a lot of people, a lot of fans betting on him, which is why it was at 14, when in reality it should have been 25. So think of it like an overvalued stock, a hot stock that has got too much priced in.
I wonder if there'll be more betting on golf now. I mean, it probably hasn't been the hottest place.
This is exactly what they want. This is the weird industry where the books, the companies, they want you to know that they lost, because it's like the lottery. They want people to know, hey, if you had bet on Tiger, you would have made a lot of money. We lost money here, so come ahead and bet next week. You could win and we could continue to lose. It doesn't usually happen, but they want you to think that this time.